All right, so this next one I chose is the BBC iReporter, and I think it's probably my favorite one. I played this yesterday, and it was really fun to go through it real time. It gives you your score at the top the whole time. The only thing I did not like about it was the sound. Even my husband was like, oh my gosh, it just keeps playing that same sound over and over. And the only choice I found on it was to turn all the sound off or to have all the sound on. But this is something I would have my students go through and do to determine how do we determine what is a good news source, what is not a good news source, what do we post on social media, what do we need to think about before we post something on social media, do we need to fact check it or do we trust our sources with it? So I thought those were all really good things from it. For the educational leader, I have 3.1D. They will cultivate responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. And they will model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. And then as a student, they will evaluate the accuracy, perspective, credibility, and relevance of information, media, data, and other resources. So they will go through this. It's their first day on the job as part of BBC's social media team, and they need to get to the bottom of this breaking news story on here. They will go through a variety of sources. They'll have video chats from colleagues, texts from mom all through that the day, and then different media channels. They will video chat with a lot of people, constant interruptions. It felt very real to me. I've never worked as a media person, so to me, this felt really good. The other downside of this is that they can only really play this once and then they'll know the outcome of it. But you can see we go right here to the website, you click play, it will explain right here. You will be graded on your accuracy, your impact, and your speed. So how quickly do you decide, do I post this, do I not post this? Do I need to check my sources, do I not check my sources, and just go with it? So you're going through the whole day here. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes to play the whole game, depending on how fast each person goes through it. But you can see right here how it starts. It's really fun.
Hey, you made it. Welcome to the social media team. So you managed to get your security pass sorted?
So here we go. These are your first choices right here. So yep, love a challenge. Let's go.
Well, you're in the right job then. So I'm stuck. This storm's cancelled all flights, so you're going to have to do your first day without your editor looking over your shoulder. You'll be fine. I need to see what stories are leading from the big 9 a.m. news meeting, so for now, just get settled in. And don't pinch any of my biscuits. Actually, I'm starving. Gotta go.
So you can see right here, it comes up, it takes you through your emails, your video chats, whatever you're getting that day. Right, so you can see right here, this is from mom, she's online, just your constant interruptions of what's going on. And here, oh my gosh, chat app is down. So this is what the students will have to figure out, get to the bottom of it as the news source person. So it takes them through all these series. They keep getting video chats from everyone. They keep getting emails. They keep getting text messages from mom. And then they have to decide what to do. So, oh my gosh, what do I pick? Let's pick this one and see what happens. So we get immediate feedback from that, and it tells us how well we did. So I think this is another really fun one to do.